All Gilman recipients must have adequate international health insurance for the duration of their program. While most Gilman recipients have U.S. health insurance, many insurance companies don't provide overseas coverage, and Medicare and Medicaid don't cover services outside the U.S. The Gilman program requires coverage for the following 3 items: accident and sickness medical expenses, emergency medical evacuation, and repatriation of remains. Most U.S. health insurance policies don't provide coverage for all 3 of these while the insured person is outside the U.S. International health insurance may be provided to you by your home institution or program provider. If you haven't already done so, speak with your study abroad advisor to see if your home institution automatically enrolls you in insurance or if they can provide it to you for a fee. Speak with your program provider to see if your program includes insurance or if you can add it. Sometimes this is noted in your program acceptance or on the program provider's website. Check with your U.S. health insurance company to see if they provide international health insurance that includes coverage for the required items. To help with these conversations, this video will outline the options for insurance coverage and what must be included in the documentation for each option. The first option is to upload a letter confirming your coverage. This letter can come from your study abroad advisor, your program provider, or your health insurance company. The letter must include your first and last name, the name of the insurance provider, for example, ACE, CISI, or GeoBlue, the coverage dates or an indication that you're covered by the policy for your entire program abroad. Pay attention to the dates listed in your Gilman account when you accepted your scholarship. For example, if the program dates in your account are from June 15th to August 15th, 2022, then you must have coverage from June 15th to August 15th. It's okay if you have coverage that begins before you start your program or ends after your program ends, as long as you're covered for the duration of your program and not even 1 day shorter. Indication of coverage in your program location. This can be specific to your host country or indicate worldwide coverage. A summary of benefits that includes coverage for accident and sickness medical expenses, emergency medical evacuation, and repatriation of remains. Note that the word repatriation is not sufficient and is a different type of coverage. The document must explicitly state repatriation of remains. Signature of the sender or the sender's signature block. This can be electronic or handwritten. If all of this was included in your acceptance letter, you can upload this letter twice, once as your proof of acceptance and again as your proof of insurance. Another option is to upload your insurance ID card and a description of benefits. Like a letter, the document must include your full name, the name of the insurance provider, the coverage dates or an indication that you're covered for the entirety of your program abroad, indication of coverage in your program location or worldwide, and a description of benefits that details coverage for accident and sickness medical expenses, emergency medical evacuation, and repatriation of remains. Uploading only your insurance ID card is not sufficient unless all this information is included. If you need to combine 2 or more documents to upload them as one to your Gilman account, instructions are available on the Gilman website. If you're unable to secure international health insurance through your home institution, program provider, or U.S. health insurance company, you can purchase supplemental coverage through an iNext card. This is an affordable option that meets the Gilman program's requirements. For more information, visit iNext.com. If you purchase iNext, you can upload a copy of your proof of purchase with your name and dates of coverage, or a PDF of your card. Reviewing this information carefully can help expedite your document approval. Visit the recipient section of our website at gilmanscholarship.org for any further questions.